Hi friends, I am trying to do this all by myself because we leave early in the morning to go on a trip. I had 4 mangoes and I hurried and peeled and sliced them. This is kind of a takeoff of a video that I made on freezer jam a couple of weeks ago, and I used clear gel. I also have 6 huge apricots that our friend gave us. We've eaten and enjoyed, but I'm going to mix those with the mangoes. Then I pulled from my freezer some raspberries, and I'm going to mix those. So it's going to be a mixed fruit. The thing that I forgot to tell you before is if you're going to do freezer jam, you must have instant clear gel or maxi clear gel. That thickens by agitation. Regular clear gel thickens by heat. Now I have taken the maxi and the instant, and it thickens by heat, but the regular will not thicken by agitation. So if you're going to make freezer jam, get instant or maxi. I'm going to make these 3. I'm going to let you see it. You've seen the thing. I just blend it. My proportions are 1/3 sugar and 1 round tablespoon of clear gel to 1 cup of fruit. And so I'm going to mix all of these, measure them, and do it. Come back and let you see the end result. Thanks so much. Here's my blended mangoes, apricots, and raspberries. And here's my 3 1/2 cups of sugar, 3 1/3 cups of sugar, and 5 tablespoons of instant clear gel mixed well so that it won't lump. All you do is add this to your jam, mix it, and as soon as it's totally incorporated, it's put in containers, let sit for 30 minutes, and then it goes into the freezer. Some of your questions have been after it's defrosted and you're using it, how long will it last in the refrigerator? And it has lasted for 3 weeks, but nothing any longer than that because it's eaten before that, but it would last as long as any jam would in the refrigerator. So look at these amazing combination of apricot, mango, and raspberry. The apricot and mango were ripe and ready. I was leaving town. Raspberry came from the freezer, and I love the taste of the combination. Hope you'll try. Bye-bye.